Stop scrolling. What if I told you that studying for 8 hours is actually making you dumber? Science shows that after 4 hours, your brain's absorption crashes by 60%. You're not working hard, you're just wasting time. But elite students at places like MIT and Harvard use a four-phase system to master complex topics in just 120 minutes. Here is how you can copy them. First, forget reading. Use active recall. Close the book and explain the concept out loud like you're teaching a 12-year-old. This creates retrieval pathways that passive reading can't touch. Second, leverage dual coding. Don't just look at text, draw diagrams while listening to the information. Using two senses doubles your memory capacity instantly. Third, ditch the 25-minute Pomodoro for the 90-minute deep work cycle. Your brain needs time to enter a flow state, but it hits a wall at 90 minutes. Follow it with 20 minutes of digital-free rest. No phones, just breathing. Stop dumping data and start building neural patterns. If you want to study less but achieve 200% better results, hit that follow button for more evidence-based brain hacks. Let's work smarter, not longer.